The Chancellor has announced some important changes to the furlough leave scheme. Under the scheme, the government has been paying employers grants of 80% of employees' salaries up to a maximum of £2,500 a month per employee for employees who have been furloughed, placed on temporary leave. From the 1st of July 2020, employers will be able to bring back furloughed employees to work part-time as an option. Employers will be required to pay for the hours worked by the employee, and hours not worked by the employee will be covered by the furlough scheme. Any working arrangement with the employee must cover at least 1 week and be confirmed in writing to the employee. If employees are unable to return to work or there is no work for them, they can remain on furlough leave and the employer can claim grants under the rules. For June 2020 and July 2020, employers will still not have to contribute to the grants. The government will continue to pay grants for hours not worked, including employer national insurance contributions and pension contributions. However, from the 1st of August 2020, employers will be required to cover employer national insurance contributions and pension contributions. From the 1st of September 2020, the contribution of the grants will be split so that employers pay 10% and the taxpayer pays 70%. From the 1st of October 2020, the contribution of the grants will be split so that the employer pays 20% and the taxpayer pays 60%. The furlough leave scheme will finish at the end of October 2020. It's important to be aware that the scheme will close to new entrants from the 30th of June 2020. From that point, employers will only be able to furlough employees who have been furloughed for a 3-week period prior to the 30th of June 2020. That means that the final date that an employer can furlough an employee for the first time is the 10th of June 2020, so that the 3-week period can be completed by the 30th of June 2020. For more information, do visit my website. Remember that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. Also, the law can change. And finally, please subscribe to my channel for updates.